Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about climate. What is a climate? Most of us we are confused that what is a climate and what is a weather and what are seasons. So in this video, we will discuss about all these aspects. So let us start. There is a difference between weather and climate. And what is the difference between weather and climate? Climate is defined as a long term weather pattern of a specific area. We can say that weather is the atmospheric condition of a particular day or for a specific period of time, whereas climate is the regular pattern of weather conditions of a region for a long period of time. Weather can change within a few minutes or hours, and climates it takes very long time to change. You all have observed in our daily life sometimes a very sunshine is there, but after some time you can see that the weather is cloudy, rain started. So weather it can change within a few minutes or hours, but the climate it takes a long time to change. Weather can be sunny, it can be cloudy, stormy, windy, rainy, and snowy. It depends. Sometimes the sun shines very brightly, and sometimes we see clouds in the sky, and sometimes we observe it is raining, means rain started. So, weather can change instantly. It will not take a long much time. It can change within a minute or hour. In India, a variety of climatic conditions are there depending on the region. As the northern plains they have extreme summer and winter season, but whereas Thar desert is extremely hot and the coastal plains have moderate climate. Do you know geography of an area that plays an important role in determining the climate of a region? At the altitude, what is altitude? It is the highest height of a place above the sea level, and it affects the temperature of the region. Temperature near the polar region is lesser while it is more near the equator. And even they are also influenced by the presence of wind, oceans, and ocean currents. In India, seasons can be broadly divided into winter, summer, and monsoon. So, we will discuss about these seasons. The first season is winter season. These are the different seasons in India. As I discussed, as I told you that the seasons in India can be divided autumn, winter, summer and spring. So one by one we will discuss about the seasons. First one is winter season. It begins in November and lasts till February. December and January, these are the two coldest months in northern India. And during winter, the nights are longer than the days. And during winter, the day temperatures are between 16 and 21 degrees Celsius, while the night temperature falls between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. During the winter season, the northern part of India receives rains due to cyclones and strong winds from the west, that is known as western disturbances. And during winter season, we try to wear woolen clothes and we enjoy eating plenty of vegetables like cauliflowers and peas, and the main fruits during this season are apples and oranges. Our Next season is summer season. It lasts from April to July in northwestern India, while in the rest of India it lasts from March to June. And the temperature in north and northwestern India ranges between 40 to 45 Celsius. The cool sea breeze keeps the coastal areas cool, and during this season, days are longer than the nights, and the weather is hot and very dry throughout India. Summer season is the season to enjoy a wide variety of mangoes, and it is the king of fruits. Our next and the third season is monsoon. It begins with the onset of southwest monsoon and which lasts from June to September. Monsoon season in India, it runs from June to September, and the weather during monsoon season caused by differencing temperature trends over the land and the ocean. Rain come on suddenly and hours of rain are common on most days. And Mumbai and Kolkata they receive the most rain of Indian cities during monsoon. And distribution of rainfall according to that, India is divided into four main regions on the basis of annual rainfall received. These are areas with heavy rainfall, areas with moderate rainfall, areas with less rainfall, and the fourth one is areas with scanty rainfall. Heavy rainfall, there we can receive over 200 centimeter, and in moderate areas where it is 100 to 200, and where we have less rainfall it is 50 to 100 centimeter. And the areas with scanty rainfall, there the region gets less than 50 centimeter rainfall annually, and it include Rajasthan, Gujarat and the parts of Punjab and Haryana.